So now how to connect social media accounts to schedule posts using Shopify.io social planner. So first go to marketing, choose social planner, click connect account. So we have connected our account. It's either you can choose Facebook, Instagram, Google Business, LinkedIn or TikTok. Now click new post. So you can write your content, upload images or videos and select which platform to post to. So choose to post now or pick a date and time to schedule.